Welcome everyone. I'm so excited you're here for this session on MidJourney, one of the coolest tools we have right now for interior design. Whether you're a total AI newbie or you've played around with ChatGPT or Canva Magic tools, you're going to love this. We're diving into how you can generate gorgeous designs visuals with just a few words, yep words, no Photoshop skills, no 3D rendering, no all-nighters, just you, your imagination, and a few AI tricks. So grab your notebook, coffee or matcha, whatever fuels your creativity, and let's go play. Let's get the basics out of the way. Artificial intelligence or AI. Think of AI as a very fast learner that analyzes data and tries to make sense of it, like we do. It learns patterns, solves problems, and yes, can even create. In our world, interior design, AI can be a creative assistant. It doesn't steal your job, it helps you with the boring bits mock-ups, variations, first drafts. You're still the boss, the creative mind. AI is more like your unpaid intern that never sleeps. And with tools like MidJourney, we are basically giving that intern a really, really good eye for design. So, what is MidJourney? MidJourney is an AI platform that turns text into images. You describe a space like a cozy Scandinavian living room with natural textures and soft lighting, and boom, it gives you a visual. It's like Pinterest and the genie had a baby. You type the vibe, and the AI generates visuals that match it. Realistic, artistic, moody, minimal, whatever your heart desires. And this is super powerful in interior design, where clients often struggle to imagine what you're describing. This tool lets you show them instantly. So, what makes Midjourney so great? Number one, it's image based, so we get visuals fast. Number two, you can generate very high quality outputs. No weird AI glitches, the images look great even for presentations. Number three, it runs on Discord, which sounds intimidating, but I promise I'll walk you through it. You don't need to be a gamer or a tech wizard. Number four, it gives you control. Want a wider image, more realism, vintage tone? We'll learn how to do all of that. So, yes, it's AI, but it's your AI. Okay, let's bring this home. Why should you, a future or current designer, care about this tool? Picture this. You're pitching a mood board. Instead of spending 3 hours collecting 15 images from Pinterest, editing them in Photoshop, and hoping they will look cohesive, you just write a sentence. Midjourney gives you options. You choose the best one, tweak it, done. It saves time, yes, but it also opens up creativity. You can test out ideas you wouldn't normally go for and actually see them. Plus, for client presentations, it's pure gold. They love seeing your vision as a visual, not just hearing about it. So here's how it works. Step 1, you write a prompt. That's your description. Step 2, Midjourney generates a few images for you to choose from. Step 3, you pick your favorite and refine it. You can ask for variations or upscale it to a better resolution. It's like baking. The prompt is your recipe. Midjourney is your oven. You just need to tell it what kind of cake, or in our case, what kind of boho bedroom meets modern industrial vibe you want. Let's be honest, designing is fun, but it can be exhausting. Finding reference images, mood boarding, doing layouts, it all adds up. With AI, you save time. You can generate ideas quickly and test things out without spending 3 days in SketchUp. It also pushes you out of your comfort zone. Maybe you always design modern spaces. Midjourney shows you what a maximalist jungle themed loft could look like, and it's cost effective. You don't need expensive renders to show a concept. AI gives you beautiful visuals instantly. You can even create early mockups without spending a cent. Quick trivia moment. Midjourney launched in 2021 and it's taken the creative world by storm. From fashion to architecture to interior design, people are using it to visualize concepts faster and more beautifully than ever. Every version has added new powers, better lighting, textures, image control. We're currently at version 6 and it's pretty amazing. And yes, even huge design firms are using this. It's not just for students or designers, it's the real deal. Let's take a step back and look at how far MidJourney has come. Version 1 was like a baby AI. It had potential but needed help. Version 2 got more accurate. By version 3, we started seeing sharper images with better proportions and color use. Then version 4, boom, massive jump in quality. Suddenly the lighting made sense, materials looked touchable, and rooms had realistic depth. Version 5 and 6, total glow up. We're talking high end visuals, textures so real, you feel like you could walk into the space. And with version 6, you also get better user control, so it listens to your prompt more precisely. It's like going from sketching from a pencil to rendering with magic. Okay, now let's break down the glow up journey of Midjourney's versions. Because yes, it's been evolving like a Netflix character arc. Starting with versions 2 and 3, the big deal here was realism and color accuracy. Before this, AI would sometimes give you a purple floor or a floating chair, very dreamy, very weird. Versions 2 and version 3 started showing more structured layouts and more believable color palettes. Furniture didn't look like it came out of a surrealistic painting anymore. So you could finally say, yes, this looks like an actual room. Then comes version 4, a major step up. This version introduced customizable parameters. You could now tell the AI things like, hey, I want this image wider or make it more realistic, or give me that boho vibe but with marble finishes, and it would actually listen. Also, aspect ratio control become way better, which means you could finally get your Pinterest friendly landscape images without cropping weird stuff out. Version 5 took things even further, with texture realism and lighting effects. Imagine seeing a fabric chair and actually feeling the linen texture just by looking at it, or seeing light bounce off a marble table like in a professional interior shoot. That's version 5. It's perfect for when you want to show off these fine design details that clients obsess over. You know, like the exact tone of the wooden floor or how soft the lighting is above the island. And then we arrive at version 6, the Beyonce of all versions. With version 6, we got advanced user controls and seamless iterations. This means it follows your prompt more precisely. It's better at following design rules and it lets you refine your image without starting over. Want to change the lighting from warm to natural? Done. Want the same room but with a velvet green sofa instead of beige? No problem. Basically, each version removed more of the chaos and added more control so you can focus on designing, not fixing weird AI surprises. Honestly, every version brought us closer to something magical, a design assistant that never sleeps and gets your aesthetic. Okay, let's have some fun with this. This is the same prompt, word for word, rendered in version 1, version 2, and version 3. In version 1, you'll probably notice a few AI hiccups. The sofa might look melty or like it's from a dream sequence. Still kind of cool, but not client ready. Version 2, slightly better textures, a little bit more structured. The rug almost looks fluffy. By version 3, you can actually start to see a decent living room. The plants feel alive, the layout makes sense, and the window reflections are starting to get realistic. This slide is a great reminder. AI evolves fast. What used to take a full design theme to visualize now happens in 30 seconds. and gets better every few months. Alright, now let's compare the same prompt using the newer versions 4, 5, and 6. Version 4 is where things get spicy. Suddenly, that sofa has shadows, the coffee table has realistic reflections. Version 5, that's Instagram worthy. The textures are refined, the lighting feels like it was shot by a professional photographer. And then there's version 6, the current state of the art. It's like a movie set. Everything is crisp, coherent, and customizable. You can change the angle, zoom out, tweak colors, remix furniture, and it still looks cohesive. If you show this to a client, they'd say, wait, when did you stage and photograph this room? And you'd say, nope, it's just my AI design buddy helping me out. Honestly, these versions are a game changer. Once you see version 6, it's hard to go back. All right, let's get to the fun part. How exactly can we use MidJourney in interior design? Because yes, it's cool that it generates images, but the magic is really in what you do with those images. So here are a few powerful applications, and honestly, you'll probably start using this without even realizing it. Number one is style exploration. You can visualize an interior space in any design style minimalist, boho, industrial, Japandi, even eclectic, Rama chic if you want. You're not longer stuck Googling for inspiration pics that kind of match your vision. Now you create the inspiration. Want to show a modern living room with Moroccan tiles or a farmhouse kitchen with pink cabinets and gold handles? You just type it and AI shows it. Number two, material and texture visualization. This one is big. You can describe wood types, marble finishes, concrete walls, glass dividers, and Midjourney will give you super realistic images with those exact textures. You can even get specific: polished travertine, raw concrete, glossy black metal, woven jute rug, and you'll see them rendered beautifully. It's amazing for when you're experimenting with combinations, like pairing rough with soft or matte with shiny. You don't have to guess anymore. Number three, lighting experiments. You can test different lighting moods in your prompt: natural morning light, soft ambient evening light, dramatic shadows, pendant lighting, whatever vibe you want. It's a great way to play with atmosphere without actually building the space yet. Mood lighting just got a digital upgrade. Number four, spatial layout. This is one of my favorites. You can try layouts for small spaces, large spaces, open concepts, studio apartments, all without drawing anything. You can describe the room and its purpose, and Midjourney gives you a layout that feels real. You start to get a sense of flow and scale even before you open SketchUp or Revit. Bonus: you can use Midjourney images for mood boards, client pitches, Instagram content, website headers, design proposals, you name it. Basically, anywhere you would normally use your reference images, you can now use your own customized AI visuals. And you know what? Clients love it. They will say, wait, where did you find this image? And you can proudly say, I didn't find it, I designed it. To use Midjourney, you'll need to sign up for Discord. It's free and super easy. Just head to discord.com, create an account, and then join the Midjourney server using their invite link. This is where all the magic happens: prompts, images, community feedback, all inside Discord. Think of it like entering a secret design lab run by AI. Don't worry, if Discord is new to you, we'll walk through it together. Once you're in the Midjourney server, here's what to do. Verify your account quick and easy. Explore the channels. There are like organized chat rooms. Start in the newcomer rooms. That's your playground as a beginner. It's super chill. You'll type your prompts there, see your images appear, and even check out what others are creating. Basically, you're now in the club. Midjourney offers a free trial, but it's super limited, just enough to test the waters. If you want to dive in and actually use it for projects, you'll need a subscription. Basic plan $10 per month. Great if you're just playing around. Standard plan $30 per month. Perfect for most design students or freelancers. Pro plan $60 per month for heavy users or teams. Start small, see how much you use it, then upgrade if needed. Easy. Once you're inside the MidJourney server, things are pretty simple. You'll see different channels for beginners, feedback, showcases, etc. To generate an image, just go to a prompt channel and type imagine followed by your description. Your images will appear right in the channel like magic. And yes, you'll see other people's prompts and results too. It's a great way to learn and get inspired. Midjourney works with a few simple commands, super easy once you get the hang of it. Slash imagine, this is your main one. Type it, then you prompt. U buttons, upscale to enhance image quality. V buttons, variations to explore similar options. Help for, well, help. That's pretty much all you need to get started and play around like a pro. Ready to try it out? Head to a newcomer room and type your first prompt. Example, slash imagine, modern living room, minimalist, natural light. Then try clicking U to upscale or V to get variations. Play around, experiment, make mistakes. That's how you learn, and trust me, it's seriously addictive. Before we jump into the cool part, making awesome AI art, I just want to give you a quick little intro to MidJourney. So what is MidJourney? It's this magical tool that takes whatever you can imagine, like a cat in a spacesuit riding a unicorn through a rainbow storm, and turns it into an actual image. No drawing skills needed, just your words and a little creativity. Now, if you're wondering, how do I get started? Good news. Signing up is super easy. You can either use your Google account or, more commonly, sign up with Discord. Today I'm going to show you the Discord version because that's the one I use, and honestly, it's where the magic really happens. Plus, it's kind of fun to see all the wild stuff people are creating in real time. Alright, ready to see how it all works? Let's dive into the Discord interface and make some AI art together. Just a quick heads up, the images you see on the MidJourney feed are created by other AI artists using their own prompts. You can easily filter these images based on your interest. And there's something really cool. If you click on an image, you'll see the exact prompt that the creator used to generate it. This is a great way to get inspired or even reuse prompts in your own creative projects. Now let's talk about subscriptions. MidJourney offers a few different plans depending on your needs. Whether you're a casual user just exploring or someone who wants more generation time and priority access, there's a plan for you. You can manage your subscription directly from your account settings, upgrade, downgrade, or cancel anytime. Super flexible. That's it for now. Go explore, get inspired, and start creating your own amazing AI art. Alright, so now that we are all on the same page, let's talk about how to actually use MidJourney through Discord. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. It's easier than it looks, promise. So here you have the button, right? So open Discord, and then you have to search for MidJourney, click on it. Good. On the left hand side of Discord, you'll see channels named something like Newbies123 or General XX. These are public rooms where people generate images. Pick any one of them, you'll probably see lots of creative chaos happening already. Right, like here. You can see raccoons and bears and snakes and whatever. And here you have a tab, right? So now the fun begins. To create an image, type imagine, right? Hit space and then enter your prompt. For example, imagine, and then we'll put cozy living room, tall windows, neutral colors, and simply press enter. Now MidJourney will start cooking up your image. Once the image is ready, you'll see 4 versions pop up. Below them, you'll find buttons. And I will show you in a bit what they mean. It's thinking, you see? It's 50% done. We'll still have to wait for the other 50%. And now we have it. And it's gorgeous. Look at it. You see? 4 versions. If you want to save it, just click right.